Hello students, let us discuss about the electron structure of chlorine, water and ammonia. All these three are covalent molecules. You know that covalent molecules are formed by sharing of electron pair. Now let us see the case of chlorine. Two chlorine combine to form chlorine gas molecule. It is also a diatomic molecule. Now chlorine configuration K2L8M7. Again another chlorine, its configuration K2L8M7. Both the chlorine requires one electron, so that they will get the argon configuration K2L8M8. So one electron required for both the chlorine, so they will share one pair of electron. So how to draw the electron structure for chlorine? At first we will draw the two circles as I told you earlier in such a way that they will overlap on each other. This circle is for this chlorine, this circle, another circle is for this chlorine. First of all, we know that both the chlorine will share one pair of electron from the outermost 7 electrons. So let me give two dots. Okay, one more thing I want to say that instead of dot we can give the small cross also. Now I am showing you this example with the cross. I am giving one pair of electron here with the help of two small cross. So that means this electron belongs to this chlorine, and this is the contribution of, in this pair of electron, this electron is contributed by this chlorine from the outermost 7 electron, and this electron is contribution of this chlorine from the outermost 7 electron. So one pair of electron is shared here. After that you see chlorine. For chlorine, how many unshared pair of electrons left? Now you see from this chlorine, from the 7 outermost electron, one is contributed in the sharing. So how many left here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again for this chlorine, from the last 7 electron, outermost electron, one is contributed here in the sharing. So how many left? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you count the number of electron in both the chlorine. For this chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Outermost electron configuration of argon. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So chlorine is getting the argon configuration. Now both the chlorine getting nearest this configuration. So they will form this molecule by sharing this one pair of electron. So chlorine is also a single covalent molecule which can be shown by a single dash. Now come to the case of water and ammonia. Let me tell you first about the water. So till now we are discussing about all the diatomic molecule where two same atom of the atoms of the same element combine to form the molecule. But in case of the water, hydrogen is one type of element and oxygen is one type of element. Hydrogen configuration K1 for both, then oxygen configuration K2L6. Now how this molecule will form, water molecule will form? Now we know that each hydrogen required one electron to get the helium configuration. Both of them want the helium configuration, and oxygen requires 2 electrons so that oxygen will get the neon configuration K2L8, and for helium K2K2. So how they will share this one? Now I want to say that for this type of molecule you see which element is more electronegative. Electronegative means the element, the non-metals which has more tendency for the formation of negative ion. So among this hydrogen and oxygen, hydrogen is more electronegative. So we give the more electronegative element in the middle. We give it in the middle. I am drawing a circle here for oxygen. This circle is for oxygen. Now the two hydrogen, the circle for the two hydrogen, I am giving the two sides. One here and one here. So this is one hydrogen, this is one hydrogen. So electronegative element is given here. Now one thing I want to tell you that in case of the oxygen, 2 electron is contributed in the sharing. In case of hydrogen, one electron is there in the outermost shell for both the hydrogen, and these two electron will be shared. Now this is, and here also I am showing with the help of cross. Electron for the hydrogen I am showing with the cross, and electrons for the oxygen I am showing with the dot. So for this hydrogen, this is the electron only, and one electron which is contributed in the sharing. For this hydrogen, this is the cross. Only one electron which hydrogen has, that is only contributed in the sharing. Now for oxygen, I am giving one dot here. So this oxygen share 2 electron, means contributed 2 electron from the outermost cell. Okay, so these 2 dots representing the 2 electron of oxygen from the outermost cell. In the outermost cell of oxygen, how many electrons are there? 6. So 2 are contributed here. How many left? 4. So those 4 I am giving here, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the non-overlapping region. So this is the dot structure for the oxygen. So I am showing you here, this is one pair of electron shared, and in this pair of electron, cross is the electrons belong to hydrogen, the contribution of this hydrogen, and this dot is from the oxygen. Again from this side, this cross is for the outermost electron of hydrogen, this is contributed in the sharing, and this dot is for the oxygen. So this is the dot structure for water molecule, and see how the nearest synergist configuration is fulfilled. For hydrogen, 1, 2 electron, helium configuration. For this hydrogen, 1, 2, helium configuration. For this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, neon configuration. So all are satisfied. So the water molecule is formed. It is also so with the help of the skeletal structure. I am showing the skeletal structure of water molecule. This is called skeletal structure H-O-H. So this line representing one pair of electron sharing. So this is the structure, and this is the water molecule. Now let me show you the ammonia. Ammonia is a gas. You know ammonia is a gas. Ammonia molecule is formed by 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen. Nitrogen configuration K2L5, hydrogen configuration K2. All the hydrogen requires helium configuration. Sorry, hydrogen configuration not K2, it is K1. Hydrogen configuration K1, but it requires helium configuration K2, nearest inert gas. And nitrogen requires the neon configuration K2L8. Now, how many electrons should be shared? Here, 1 electron required in both. In all these 3 hydrogen, for the 3 hydrogen, all the 3 hydrogen requires 1 electron. 1 electron, and for the nitrogen it requires 3 electrons. So how the electrons will be shared? I already told you that most electronegative will be written in the middle. I am giving a circle here for the nitrogen, and the 3 hydrogen will be given in the 3 sides of the nitrogen. 3 circle. This is for 1 hydrogen, this is for another hydrogen, and this one is for another hydrogen. So these are the 3 circles for the hydrogen. This is the nitrogen. Now you see, I am representing electrons belongs to the nitrogen with the cross, and electrons belongs to the hydrogen with the dot this time. So this hydrogen has only 1 electron that is contributed here in the overlapping region. This hydrogen has 1 electron in the contributing in the overlapping region. This hydrogen has only 1 electron that is contributed in the overlapping region in the sharing part. Now for this hydrogen, for this nitrogen, it has 5 electron in the outermost cell. From this 5, it has to share 3. It has to give 3 in sharing, in contribution. So these 3, 1 will be given together with this hydrogen, 1 will be given together with this hydrogen, 1 will be given together with this hydrogen. That means this cross giving here in the overlapping region which shared with the dot of the electron, that is electrons of the hydrogen, this is contribution of the nitrogen. So nitrogen, after giving these 3 electron in the contribution of sharing with the 3 hydrogen, how many left from this 5? 3 given in the sharing with the hydrogen electrons. How many left here? 2. These 2 I am showing in this non-overlapping region. So this is the dot structure for ammonia. So ammonia is also shown with the help of the skeletal structure like this. I am showing you nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. This line, one line representing one single bond is there, and this electron is shown. This skeletal structure is shown in the help of this, in this way. We show this skeletal structure. Now this unshared pair of electron is also called lone pair. This unshared pair of electron is also called lone pair. So this is the structure electron dot representation or electron dot structure for chlorine, water and ammonia molecule. Thank you very much.